Do you ever have a room in your house that you just like overlook? It needs some help, but you never do it until you need to do it. This is one of those rooms. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Pots, Pants, and Priscilla. Today we're gonna make over my daughter's bathroom. So here we go. So I do wanna show you guys around. We have this little cabinet here. We have a mirror and light fixture. All of these things are eventually gonna be changed out. We have a light up here that doesn't work, but the fan does. And so yeah, I need your help. Let me know, like, how can I make this look cute but modern and just up the game in the bathroom a little bit. There are actual diamonds. I mean, not actual, but there's faux diamonds in this light fixture up here. Not my design element at all. And then we've got like these crystal, like fish aquarium rocks. I'm not really sure. So I really need your help in what I should do in here, guys. What theme do you think we should go for in here? In the meantime, let's switch out the shower curtain, get some cute rugs. I'm gonna add a little canvas over here. I do love this canvas. I bought this like 5 years ago from Home Goods. So I am a fan of that, but everything I got today is from Amazon, so I'll make sure I link it down below for you. These have been washed enough. They're old and tattered, so they're going in the trash. I've had this shower curtain since we moved in. I have replaced the liner a few times, like the clear liner, but we're doing both today. So you'll notice here we have a nicely glued rack. That actually happened about 2 days after we moved in. Isaiah was taking a shower, hit his head on that, and it broke. So this has been the fix for like 5 years now. So eventually our goal is to redo this bathroom. Like, we don't need a bathtub anymore. We don't have little kids. Nobody's taking a bath in here. This is Abby's bathroom. But yeah, so I would like to get, I feel like this is, I don't know, this is just not my vibe. But I do want to keep the charm of a 100-year-old home. We have like the crystal original doorknobs with the original doors of the house. I don't want to get rid of that. Like, I love that part. So just trying to make it modern, but also keep some of those special characteristics of a 100-year-old home. Oh, that's so much better. It's bright. Y'all know I am a color girl. I match it even today. These inexpensive little pieces of wall art are perfect for any space that you're trying to redo. Look, it just adds a little something. Just gonna put a little white hand towel up here for right now. I think I might look for a color though. I think an orange would be pretty, or even pink. I might have one downstairs, we'll see. For now, this is good. I got these two little rugs to put, and I love that they came with the non-slip. That's obviously important for a bathroom floor. So I'm just gonna put one in front of the shower. Aw, I love it. So sometimes company things are gonna help. They don't. They actually work way better without that. They don't slide at all. So we're gonna toss these. But there you go. I think it looks cute. So that's just a quick refresh with shower curtain and rugs, you know, that kind of thing. But I would love to hear from you guys on what I should do for the mirror and the lights, because that's something I can do now before we even do like a major renovation to the bathroom. Thanks so much for hanging out. I appreciate you guys. If you haven't, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.